Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Paneer is one such ingredient when added to any gravy tastes amazing. But for me, I love the palak gravy. You're right, we're going to make the palak paneer. So here I have kept some water to boil and I'm going to add some salt to it and a nice big bunch of spinach leaves or palak leaves, which I have washed well. So I'm going to keep these leaves in boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes and then I'm going to transfer it into a ice bath. We're doing this to retain the fresh green color of the leaves. It's time to remove these leaves. I'm going to simply remove these spinach leaves from hot water, boiling water, and just gonna add it to the cool ice water. This will stop the process of further cooking of the leaves and it also will retain the fresh green color. We'll wait for these leaves to cool down and then we will grind it to a nice fine puree. Let's drain off the water. And now let's grind this. Our spinach puree is ready as well. I've kept a kadai to heat over here. We are going to give this dish a tadka with pure ghee. So I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and then I'm going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. You can crush it as well. I'm just going to add some 4 to 5 red chillies broken. I'm going to saute this for a second and then I'm going to add 2 onions that I have finely chopped. Once the onions are nice and soft, we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. The onions have turned nice, soft and pink. I'm going to add 1 tomato that I have finely chopped. And I'm going to cook these tomatoes till they are soft. The garlic and the chilies are releasing such an amazing aroma. The tomatoes are slightly soft. I'm going to add a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mix this really well. Now let's add the pureed spinach. Give it a good mix. I'm going to add some salt. And now I'm going to add half a kg of paneer or cottage cheese. You can fry these as well and add it to your gravy, but I prefer them this way. And I'm going to cook this on a medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Gently stir this. Our palak paneer is ready. Let's remove it in a serving bowl and garnish it. I have some fresh cream here, which I'm just going to drizzle on this. This palak paneer is ready to be served. This creamy, yummy spinach gravy is one of my favorites and so it is for my family as well. So do try this recipe and let me know.